Welcome to our channel. Listen to short audiobooks every day and improve yourself.
Ilya Strebulaev, Alex Dang, The Venture Mindset, How to Make Smarter Bets and Achieve Extraordinary Growth. Have you ever wondered what it takes to spot a world-changing idea before it becomes obvious to everyone? How do you decide which innovations to back, especially in a crowded and competitive landscape? Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to bring your vision to life or an investor seeking the next big opportunity, the principles of venture capital can provide valuable insights. You'll discover the strategies that venture capitalists use to identify and nurture transformative ideas, the importance of long-term thinking, and how you can apply these lessons to succeed in your own endeavors. You'll delve into the journey of companies like SpaceX and Zoom, learning how visionary venture capitalists play a crucial role in turning ambitious ideas into groundbreaking realities. By understanding their methods, from encouraging dissent and embracing failure to making calculated long-term bets, you'll gain the tools to better evaluate opportunities, foster innovation, and ultimately achieve extraordinary success. Whether you're navigating the business world or exploring personal projects, these insights will help you think strategically and act decisively.
The pivotal role of venture capitalists in startup success. In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, innovation is the key to success. But how do you identify and nurture the ideas that have the potential to change the world? This is where the world of venture capital comes into play. Venture capitalists are the unsung heroes behind some of the most groundbreaking innovations of our time, and their ability to spot potential and take calculated risks has shaped the way we live and work. Imagine you're a venture capitalist faced with the daunting task of evaluating hundreds of startups, each promising to revolutionize their industry. In 2012, Sachin Deshpande, Patrick Egan, and Nagraj Kashyap found themselves in this very position when they encountered Sarsby, a small startup. Sarsby's vision? To transform video conferencing in the post-PC era. The result? This company is now Zoom, a tech giant. Back in 2012, the industry looked different. The market was crowded, with giants like Cisco's WebEx and Microsoft's Skype dominating the space. But Deshpande, Egan, and Kashyap saw something special in Sarsby's founder, Eric Yuan, and his innovative approach. Deshpande, with his background in the video space, was particularly impressed by Yuan's inside-out knowledge of the video conferencing market and the seamless performance of Sarsby's product across devices. Egan, the creative seed financing whiz, was taken by Yuan's obsession with building a superior product and his natural sales chops. Kashyap, who led Qualcomm Ventures, recognized the potential for a huge total addressable market. Despite the skepticism from their colleagues and the fact that 8 other VC firms had passed on funding Sarsby, this trio decided to take a leap of faith. The decision to invest $500,000 in Sarsby was not without its risks. The startup had no paying customers and was up against well-established competitors with deep pockets. But Deshpande, Egan, and Kashyap understood that in the venture capital world, the potential for outsized returns often lies in backing unconventional ideas and visionary founders. They saw in Yuan a technical virtuoso with a keen understanding of the market and a relentless drive to succeed. So, what can you learn from this story? First, when evaluating investment opportunities, look beyond the obvious metrics and focus on the founder's vision, expertise, and ability to execute. And second, don't be afraid to go against the grain and back unconventional ideas, especially if you have a deep understanding of the market and believe in the founder's potential. Remember, some of the most successful startups were initially overlooked by multiple investors before finding the right backers who shared the startup's vision. The art of saying no. After understanding the pivotal role venture capitalists play in elevating startups like Zoom, we now turn to the mechanics of their decision-making. How do VCs sift through countless pitches to find their next investment? The answer lies in their use of the critical flaw approach, a strategy that focuses on identifying deal breakers early in the evaluation process. This method allows them to efficiently navigate the high-stakes environment of startup investing, where quick and decisive action is paramount. Imagine a live pitch event at Stanford, where promising startups pitch to VC firms aiming to discover the next billion-dollar unicorn. The atmosphere is charged as entrepreneurs present one after another. A device to treat stress and anxiety, an online community for the LGBTQ+ population, software to simplify employee onboarding, and a rental service for baby gear. As a VC, you have only minutes to decide: invest or pass. You don't have time to delve into every detail. Instead, you wear your red flag detecting glasses, searching for critical reasons to reject an opportunity. No healthcare experts on a medical device company's board? Rejected. Founders evasive about their technology? Pass. An impressive roster of ex-government officials but no industry veterans in an operationally complex business? No, thank you. This rapid decision-making might seem reckless, but it is the outcome of VC's meticulous preparation. They spend countless hours studying industries, technologies, and business models, pattern matching against numerous pitches they've encountered. Like a chess grandmaster recognizing the right move at a glance, an experienced VC can detect a deal-killing flaw within minutes. Now, if a startup passes this initial scrutiny, the approach shifts. VCs then engage in thorough diligence, vetting the team, product, market, and other risks meticulously. They consult their networks for insights and diverse perspectives, leaving no stone unturned in their quest to discern viable investments. So how do you apply the critical flaw approach in your own investment decisions? Start by hunting for reasons to say no, to filter out less promising options quickly, allowing you to focus your resources on more promising opportunities. Constantly enhance your knowledge of your field to develop intuition for recognizing patterns and pitfalls. And once an opportunity clears initial hurdles, dive in deeply to assess it from all angles before making your decision. The critical flaw method isn't just for Silicon Valley boardrooms. You can use it to make smarter decisions in your own life and work. The next time you're house hunting, interviewing job candidates, or picking a vendor, try putting on your VC goggles. Focus on finding those automatic deal breakers first. You'll be amazed at how much more quickly and confidently you can narrow down your options and zoom in on the true gems. Remember, the most successful VCs say no 100 times for every yes, and you can too. Encouraging disagreement to drive successful investments. The critical flaw approach is undoubtedly effective, but it's not the only strategy venture capitalists employ to make sound decisions. In a world filled with uncertainty, the power of groupthink can lead us astray. As social creatures, we often look to those around us for cues on how to behave and make decisions. That's why venture capitalists actively encourage dissent and are extra wary of unanimous agreement. VCs understand that the most successful investments often come with a healthy dose of debate and disagreement. As Reid Hoffman, partner at Greylock, puts it, his firm prefers deals where half the partnership thinks it's a great idea and the other half thinks it's terrible. This tension forces them to examine opportunities from all angles and pressure test assumptions. How can you harness the power of dissent in your own decision-making processes? First, recognize that consensus is often built into the price. If everyone agrees on something, the potential for outsized returns diminishes. True innovation lies in going against the grain and being right. Second, create an environment that not only tolerates but actively encourages disagreement. Assign devil's advocates to argue against prevailing opinions, Have junior team members speak up first to avoid being swayed by authority, and provide feedback independently before coming together as a group. Encouraging dissent is just the beginning, though. To truly embrace contrarian thinking, you need to empower the rebels in your midst. Give them the freedom and resources to pursue their unconventional ideas, even in the face of opposition. These mavericks can lead you to truly groundbreaking discoveries. Remember, the goal isn't to stifle all consensus, but rather to ensure that it's hard-won through rigorous debate and testing. Once a decision is made, commit to it fully as a team. The most successful venture capital firms operate like the Three Musketeers, all for one and one for all. So, the next time you're faced with a critical decision, don't just go with the flow. Embrace the power of dissent, give voice to the contrarians, and be willing to stand apart from the crowd. In a world of uncertainty, it's the only path to extraordinary results. Embracing failure as a path to innovation. The fast-paced world of innovation often pressures entrepreneurs and investors to deliver immediate results. But the story of SpaceX, the pioneering space technology company founded by Elon Musk, serves as a powerful reminder that truly groundbreaking achievements require a long-term perspective and unwavering commitment. SpaceX's journey, from its early days marked by dramatic failures on the launch pad to its current position as a leader in commercial space launches, is a masterclass in resilience and long-term thinking. The path to innovation is rarely a smooth one. It's punctuated by setbacks, failures, and moments of doubt that test the resolve of entrepreneurs and their supporters. It is in these challenging times that the true mettle of visionaries and their backers is revealed. Venture capitalists, with their keen instincts and appetite for risk, understand that transformative breakthroughs often emerge from the ashes of failure. They adopt a fire and forget mentality, placing their bets, providing the necessary resources, and then allowing the team to focus on execution without constant scrutiny. This approach, rooted in trust and a shared vision, gives innovators the space to experiment, iterate, and ultimately achieve their goals. For those seeking to cultivate innovation, whether as entrepreneurs, investors, or leaders in established organizations, embracing a long-term mindset is essential. It requires the courage to bet on bold ideas, even in the face of skepticism and short-term pressures. It means providing the resources and runway for these ideas to take flight, acknowledging that the journey may be turbulent, but the destination is worth the effort. Most importantly, it means redefining your relationship with failure, viewing it not as a stigma, but as a natural part of the innovation process. A sign that you're pushing boundaries and taking calculated risks. The story of SpaceX is not an isolated case in the annals of innovation. From Thomas Edison's countless attempts to create the light bulb to the years of toil that preceded breakthroughs like the iPhone or Amazon Web Services, history is full of examples of patience and perseverance paying off in spectacular ways. The greatest innovators understand that the road to revolutionary change is often long and winding, but it is a path worth pursuing for the profound impact it can have on the world. As you navigate the challenging landscape of innovation, let the lessons of SpaceX and the venture mindset be your guide. Embrace the long game, trust in the process, and let patience be your North Star. Foster a culture where calculated risks and experimentation are encouraged, and celebrate the learnings from failures as much as the successes. By embodying the resilience and long-term thinking of the venture mindset, you position yourself to shape the future and bring to life the groundbreaking ideas that will define the decades to come. To The Venture Mindset by Ilya Strebulaev and Alex Dang, you've learned that for innovation to thrive, groundbreaking ideas need to be identified and nurtured, which is what successful venture capitalists do. By understanding the importance of founder vision and the willingness to take risks, As well as employing strategies like the critical flaw approach and encouraging dissent, they enhance their decision-making processes, and you can do the same. So embrace a long-term mindset on your way to achieving transformative success, and cultivate resilience, patience, and a supportive environment for bold ideas, which will position you to drive impactful change and uncover extraordinary opportunities in your own ventures.